Welcome back to the channel HardReset.Info. In this video I will show you how to clear WhatsApp cache on Android. So let's open settings on your Android. Then you want to navigate the section with your apps and let's find WhatsApp. Now let's go to section storage and cache, and here you want to tap option clear cache. As you can see, cache is instantly dropped to 0, and please make sure that you tap clear cache option and not clear storage, because tapping clear storage will reset application completely, and in this case you'll need to sign in back to your WhatsApp account. But if you need to free up even more space, then let's go to WhatsApp and you want to open settings. Now let's go to section storage and data and let's open manage storage. So here you can review and delete files under section larger than 5 megabytes, and you can clear that media. So that is basically it. Thanks so much for watching this video. If this was helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to our channel for more content like this, and I will see you in the next one.